Hey guys, welcome back to VolatilityTV here, and I'm just showing you a quick video here on my Robinhood account. As you guys can see, I am up $60,000. Like finally my Robinhood account has been doing so well. So today I've actually day traded, and as you can see, my gains is $241.4%. And if you take a look at last week, I've also been swing trading a little bit. Not much. I've just been trying to grow it, $30 here, $30 there, $100 here and there. And compared to my last Robinhood video I did from last 3 months, you can see I've jumped substantially. So let's get into it. So what I've been doing in the past, I've been paper trading in the Thinkorswim platform, as you guys can see from my last videos. And I've been just taking that same strategy that I've been doing, and mostly I focused on Amazon stock. As you can see right now, it's currently trending down, and if you can take a look right here, you can see that today I bought in at 17.21 right here, right, and then I sold at 17.29, and that's 240. And in the past as well, I've only been trading this stock as I said before. So yeah, you're just focusing on quality, and you would be thinking, oh, why didn't you just hold the stock? Well, as you can currently see right now with all the news and everything, it's just better to day trade it, pick up some quick scalps here and there, and just make sure everything goes well. That's my quick video, and I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up, smash that like button, make sure to subscribe and all that. This is YouTube, you know what to do. Peace.